36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, eating, sleeping, walking around, laying down. Have your undivided attention to the court. When your name is called, unmute your device and give the court your full attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Petway. Good morning, Ms. Perkins Moore.
Good morning, Your Honor.
We're ready on Titus Rogers.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, you ready, Ms. Perkins Moore on Titus Rogers?
Hello?
All right.
Yes, Your Honor, ready.
Thank you. Okay, this is the People versus Titus Rogers, ticket number 721-567, count 1. Driver's license never acquired. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Ms. Perkins, Attorney Perkins Moore.
Good morning, Your Honor. Linda Perkins Moore, P36136, appearing on behalf of Mr. Rogers. Mr. Rogers, state your name, please.
Titus Rogers.
Mr. Rogers is here for a pretrial today, Your Honor. He wishes to avail himself of the offer and tender a plea to an amended charge of failure to display. Is that correct, Mr. Rogers?
Yep.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Rogers, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Perkins Moore today in private about your case and your rights.
Yeah.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Nope.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yeah.
You're pleading
Yes
Yes. All right.
and no. Okay. Sorry, Your Honor. Excuse me.
Thank you, Ms. Perkins Moore. No, it's fine. I usually catch that, but I'm having trouble hearing clearly today. So, but thank you. You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
Are you saying yes?
Yes.
Oh,
You
Lord.
understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of May 5th, 2021 at approximately 8:50 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of 24th Street, West Jefferson in the city of Detroit?
Yeah. Can you say that again? The date?
May 5th, 2021 at approximately 8:50 p.m. And were you on that date and time, were you at or near the location of 24th and West Jefferson in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2006 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yep. Yes.
You need to practice in the mirror saying yes or no. And did you not have a driver's license?
No.
You're satisfied, Mr. Perkins Moore?
Satisfy, Your Honor.
All right, I'm also satisfied with the factual basis. We'll accept the admission to the, we'll accept the admission and amend the count to fail to display, and we'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine. It'll be due by July 5th. Is that enough time for you to pay that, Mr. Rogers?
Yes.
Okay, so the due date is July 5th. Did you have any questions, sir?
Nope.
Okay, then you're all set.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, Willie DeBerry. All right, this is the People versus Willie DeBerry, ticket number P1265136. Count 1, no plates on trailer. Count 2, no trailer light. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Perkins Moore.
Linda Perkins Moore, appearing on behalf of Mr. DeBerry. Mr. DeBerry, would you state your name, please?
Oh, he's frozen.
He's muted.
Mr. DeBerry, you're muted, sir. Look on the bottom left-hand corner to unmute yourself. Look on the bottom left-hand corner, tap your screen.
Yes, now, Willie Joe DeBerry.
Linda Perkins on his behalf, Your Honor, he's here for a pretrial. He has been advised of the offer in this matter, and he wishes to avail himself of the offer and tender a plea to improper place. Is that correct, Mr. Berry?
Yes,
Berry?
yes,
Okay, Mr. DeBerry, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes,
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Perkins more today in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will?
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of October 19th, 2021 at approximately 11:46 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Plymouth Road and Minot Street in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2012 Ford vehicle?
yes.
And did you not have plates on your trailer?
No, I wasn't aware of that. I guess they had been stolen, but I replaced them since then.
Yeah, that's just a no, Mr. DeBerry.
Oh, I'm sorry, no. I'm sorry.
You're satisfied, Ms. Perkins Moore?
Satisfied, Your Honor. And Your Honor, I would just indicate for the record that he has replaced the document, has gotten the document replaced. Is that correct, Mr. DeBerry?
Yes, ma'am.
And you stipulate the probable cause as the remaining count to be dismissed?
Stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, so the court is going to accept the admission, amend it to an improper plate, dismiss count 2 without prejudice. There is going to be a fine, Mr. DeBerry, of $200. If I give you a date of July 5th to have it paid by, can you have it paid by that date, or do you need more time?
Yes.
You need more time? Okay.
No, I don't know. I don't need more time.
Oh, okay. So, it'll be due on July 5th. Did you have any questions, sir?
No.
Okay, so you are all set, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, sir.
Well, I make that payment to the ticket here, or how do I make the payment?
You can either do it online. There's a phone number you can call. I can give you that phone number whenever you're ready. You can come down to the court. There's kiosks around the city in like Myers or CVS. You want the phone number?
Yes.
Okay, go get a pen.
Okay, thank you. Just one second. Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, it's 855-798-1547.
Okay, and I can call and pay it through there?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good one, sir.
All right, you too. Bye.
Thank you, bye. Who else you ready on, Ms. Perkins Moore?
I'm sorry.
Who else are you ready on?
We're ready with Lante Davis.
This is the People versus Alante Davis. Ticket number P1272179, count 1, no proof of insurance, count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration, count 3, no rear view or defective mirror. Ticket number P1272226, count 1, drive while license suspended, and count 2, improper plate. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Perkins Moore.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name?
Alante Davis.
Mr. Davis wishes to avail himself of the recommendation and tender a plea to ticket ending in 179, count 1 and 2, insurance, no insurance and no registration, with a dismissal of all other matters. Is that correct, Mr. Davis?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Perkins Moore, you stipulate to the face of the ticket ending in 179.
Yes, Your Honor, I stipulate.
Proper cause has remaining counts to be dismissed. Sorry, did you hear me, Ms. Perkins Moore? You stipulate the proper cause as the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, so they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. Davis, there is going to be a fine. We have 2 fines. One fine is gonna be $195. And then the other one is $105. So that's gonna be a total of $300 that you're gonna have to pay because they're civil infractions. Normally it will be due on June 21st. Can you have it paid in 14 days or do you need more time?
Yeah, don't mention that.
One more time.
Mama, take care of it.
Yeah. Hello?
Yes, I heard you, sir. July 5th.
Yeah, I would,
Okay.
I would do my best by July 5th. Your Honor.
Okay, I think the okay, so I'll give you to July 5th. That's a month because it's a civil infraction. You really got to have it paid in 14 days. But I'll give you to July 5th. That's 28 days. If you don't have it paid by then, Mr. Davis, it's gonna go into default, and then you're gonna incur like late fees and stuff. So you want to really make an effort to get that $300 paid by then. Okay?
Okay.
You have any questions, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Was you the same judge that I went to my last tickets and you told me you was gonna see me the next day? I supposed to have something paid by May 25th or something. It was $200 or whatnot. Because I had 2 tickets. I had like 8 tickets of the same accounts or whatnot. But is there any way I can get on a payment plan so I can get my license for Detroit? That's the only county I owe. I paid everything else with everybody else. And it's kind of hard for me to pay these tickets off if I can't.
Working? You want to do community service?
I could do some community service. I can do community service, man.
Okay, hold on.
And right now I'm not working as in a week ago.
I think community service would be good for you because then you just, do the community service and get it
Yes,
out of the
ma'am.
way. Give me one moment. Okay, so I order 30 hours of community service. This is for the and I'll give you.
Wait, girl.
Give me one moment, Mr. David.
Okay.
I'll give you a week to get that done. I'm gonna give you a phone number to give you, and if you can also chat me to Honorable Reagan Evans, if you see that on there, chat me your phone number and I'll write it down on here, but let me know when you're ready. And I'll give you a phone number to a woman named Miss Green, and she'll get your community service set up.
Okay, you say you want me to chat to who? What lady?
To me, do you see Honorable Reagan Evans? Do you see that?
Yes, ma'am. I see you.
Okay, send that to me.
All right, I'm sending it right now and I'm ready for your number.
The number? Okay. Her phone number is 313-965-8130.
I have 965-8130.
Yes, her name is Miss Green.
Miss Green. All right, I just sent you my number. I really
Okay.
appreciate you.
And no problem, sir. Did he owe any other money? Yeah, we're gonna check to see if you owed any other money.
I believe I do, all the way from 2007. That's what we were talking about the last time. I got some old tickets.
It look like you owe $125. Here, you want me to just add some more community service so you can just.
Yes, ma'am. Your Honor, if you able to give me community service to try to come in with all the tickets I owe, I will do my
Okay,
best
yeah.
to.
So it's another $125, so one moment. So it's gonna be 45 hours of community service. And I'll give you 2 weeks to do that.
So is it gonna be 45 plus 30, or it's just gonna be 45?
No, a total of 45.
Okay, and do the same, Miss Green.
Yes, call Ms. Green. She'll get you set up somewhere. So that's like a week of working, maybe a week and a day. I think you can handle that.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so it needs to be completed. I'll give you a couple weeks for that.
Okay.
All right, so call Ms. Green and you are all set.
I really appreciate you, Your Honor.
Ready on Crystal Disbuke.
this is the People versus Crystal dispute, ticket number
Yeah.
P 1272422, count 1, 16 to 20 miles per hour over posted speed. Count 2, driving left center of street. Count 3, very porous without signal observation. Ticket number P 1272426, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Perkins Moore.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of Mr. Mute. Would you state your name, please?
Crystal Renee Diaz Mute.
Mr. Mute wishes to avail herself of the recommendation wherein she will be pleading responsible to ticket ending in 471 count 2. 472 count 1 with the dismissal of all other matters. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you stipulate to the face of the ticket and with ticket number ending in 422.
So stipulated.
All right, and so the court is going to amend that count to blockading, and then you stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so those are dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Ms. Dismute, there's going to be a fine of $175. You have till June 21st to pay that.
That's fine.
Okay. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
You're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mr. Mute.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Well, it's a good birthday because you got a sweet offer, so.
Yeah, that's what I told him.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
it
was
is.
really surprised, honestly. So,
I was too.
your birthday is starting off good.
It is. It is.
Bless, ma'am.
Excellent driving record.
Okay, yeah.
And the next one right on is Sharetta Richmond. She's requesting a trial date.
Okay. Or Sharetta.
Yes,
It's Sharita.
yes, Sharita.
This is the People versus Sharita Richmond, ticket number P 1274529, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Perkins Moore.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of Ms. Richmond. Would you state your name?
Sharita Richmond.
Ms. Richmond wishes to continue her plea of not guilty and is requesting a bench trial in this matter, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Richmond, can you raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Okay, you can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
And you understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
yes,
Okay, so the court is gonna continue your not guilty plea and set it for a bench trial date for June 17th at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions?
no, thank you.
Okay, you're all set, ma'am. Good luck.
Thanks. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Do I leave the meeting now? Do I?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And Thomas Robinson, Your Honor, but he's supposed to send documents over. I'm not sure if they were received yet. And other than that, I don't have anything else.
I sent them over, or I think I did. Get some documents.
Let's see.
Thomas Robinson. Miss.
Ms. Perkins Moore,
Yes.
the recommendation for Harold Rutherford is fail to display.
Failure to display, okay. You want me to put me in a breakout room with him?
Sure, Mr. Pat White.
Okay. I have to open back up the rooms, so everyone is going to go back into their room and I'll bring you back out which one I need.